Welcome to TechSavvy Living. In our connected world, home cybersecurity is more important than ever. I'm Nathan, your tech guy, and today we'll explore 10 simple ways to enhance your home cybersecurity. From smartphones and laptops to smart home devices, our homes are full of connected technology. But with this convenience comes the need for strong cybersecurity measures to protect our personal information and privacy. But before we dive in, let's roll the intro. Tip number 1. Secure your Wi-Fi network. First, secure your Wi-Fi network. Start by changing the default router settings. Use a strong, unique password and enable WPA3 encryption if available. Regularly update your router's firmware to ensure you have the latest security features and patches. Tip number 2. Use strong passwords. Next, use strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. A password manager can help you generate and store complex passwords. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Tip number 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA wherever possible. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone. This way, even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without the second factor. Tip number 4. Keep your software updated. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates where possible. Regularly check for updates on your devices and applications to ensure you have the latest protections. Tip number 5. Install antivirus and anti-malware software. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software on all your devices. These programs can detect and remove threats before they cause damage. Regularly run scans and keep your security software updated to protect against new threats. Tip number 6. Secure your smart devices. Smart devices are convenient, but can be vulnerable. Change default passwords, keep firmware updated, and disable features you don't use. Review the settings on each device and adjust them to maximize security while maintaining functionality. Tip number 7. Use a VPN for public Wi-Fi. When using public Wi-Fi, use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your internet connection. This prevents hackers from intercepting your data. A VPN creates a secure tunnel for your data, masking your IP address and encrypting all your online traffic. Tip number 8. Back up your data regularly. Regularly back up your important data to a cloud service or an external hard drive. This protects your information in case of a cyber attack or hardware failure. Schedule regular backups and verify that they are completed successfully. Tip number 9. Educate your household. Educate your household about cybersecurity. Teach them about strong passwords, recognizing phishing emails, and safe browsing habits. A well-informed household is your best defense against cyber threats. Tip number 10. Regularly audit your security. Finally, regularly audit your home network and devices. Check for unauthorized devices, review your router settings, and update any outdated software. A monthly audit can catch potential vulnerabilities before they become serious threats. Enhancing your home cybersecurity doesn't have to be complicated. By following these 10 simple steps, you can protect your devices, data, and network from cyber threats. Thanks for joining me on TechSavvy Living. Stay safe, stay secure, and until next time, keep exploring the digital world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and guides. See you in the next video.